But anyway, the architect is the team leader in the design phase, and the architect is the one that coordinates all the sub-consultants. Then when you get to the next phase, which cannot happen until the architect processes all of the documents from all of the sub-consultants and the architect's production, all that gets processed through government for permitting. Once that permit is granted, then you can build the project, whether it be brand new, whether it be an alteration or an addition to a commercial project. And all of the cannabis projects are considered commercial. So once you get to construction, the general contractor becomes a team leader, and then you have all of his subcontractors, the plumber, the electrician, and blah, blah, blah.
Go full scale.
We're also licensed general contractors. So the fact that we've got 40 years of experience doing the design as architects and the construction as general contractors, and building probably about 85% of the projects that we've designed, we've got a really logical set of knowledge bases to work from. The other thing in architecture, what we factor in is what we call passive design, and that is whenever you're building a structure, if you were fortunate enough to be involved with the selection of the site and help the person that wants to do a passive solar design pick the property that you're going to be building on, well, then we'll pick one that's facing the south. And we'll try to find one that has the view to the south, and the sun is to the south. And now every time we buy one window, we get solar gain, which is a benefit, we get ventilation, and we get view, all for one window price. So it's very cost effective to design your buildings using passive solar design. And the fact of the matter is, it's just basically good architecture. It's stuff that has been developed and learned over centuries of evaluation of various designs in various climatic zones. It's a unique concept in green energy. Everybody's familiar with solar panels, and they're familiar with wind generators, and those things basically make electricity. So anytime you can incorporate passive design strategies along with your solar panels and your winds and all your machines, you're making it much more cost effective. So, and depending on the scale of the project, the architect doesn't just go away at that point. Commercially, we typically stay involved and are constantly available to make any clarifications regarding the documents that we've prepared, any questions the builder may have, or some things change, substitutions, we get a better price on this window, could we change that window? Comes to the architect, we review it, and we approve it. And likewise, all of our sub-consultants, the structural engineers, soils engineers, mechanical, electrical, any changes that come up, they're involved in the review process also, and we have to approve it before it can happen. And then you build out the project and to the point of completion.